Hello my golden YouTubers, it is me, Miss Golden, and I am back with another video. Okay. I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about this big box here, Boxycharm. This is the Luxe edition. You do have to upgrade. It is not for $21. It runs for about $28.98, I believe. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing and going over all of these wonderful products that I have. I'm going to be sampling as well on my face. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you open it up, this thing is like super heavy. I'm so excited. Ooh, Lord, look at this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to be taking everything out individually and going over them. First thing is first is that you have this card, and the card, you know, as I mentioned in my previous video, it tells you everything that is in the box and how much they cost. Okay, so I am going in with the Luxie brush, Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set from Luxie. This averaged for about $65. I'll be using this to create a makeup look as well. Let's go ahead and open it up. You have your round top blender, your tapered highlight, your precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, your brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So these are all the things that comes in this box, and it averages for $65. The next thing is the Tarte lip paint. It looks like this. I'm gonna open it up. This averages about $20. Let's see what color I got. Oh, this is very pretty. It's a straight gold. Very, very, very pretty color. I love gold. Let's see if I have any face palette in here or eyeshadow. I have the what is this? The Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. And it looks like this. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells really, really good. And the buffer averages around $20. So this is great for when you're taking a shower. You want to get all those extra dead skins off your dead cells off your skin. The next one, let's see if I have any. Oh, there it is. I have a Wonders Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn. And this is a blush and highlight palette. And this averages for about $26. So I'm going to open this up. And this is what the package looks like. And when you open it, these are some pretty colors. You get 3 colors. I'll take that off. It's very, very pretty. Oh, I can't wait to sample these. Let me see if I can get a eyeshadow palette so I can show you guys. Oh, whoa! This is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow light. Look at this. This is a big eyeshadow palette, and this retails for about $45. $45. Like this here. Oh my gosh, I can't even open up the package. Hold on. This is a very pretty package. That's what the front and the back looks like. And when you open it, we got some mattes, we got some shimmers, We got some neutral tones. So this is what it looks like, and honestly I cannot wait to go ahead on and dip into it. So I'm going to be using one of my Luxie brushes. I'm going to go in with the eye shading, which is the Luxie 213. So let's fucking... Okay, I'm using the Luxie 229. I love Luxie brushes. I also have a previous from one of my previous Boxycharms, I received another Luxie brush here, and they work wonders. They're very sturdy. They're not frail and frizzy. Like when you wash them, it comes right back into its proper shape. So I really like that. So let's get started. I'm going to be going in with the Are You Kidding Me? I'm going to be going in with that, and I'm going to be rubbing that all over my crease area. This is a very sturdy brush. Oh, this palette is like amazing. This is pigmented. I like it so far. This brush is working very well. I'm going to go in with Teddy Bear, which is this color right here. I'm going to put that on the outer V. On the outer portion of my eye. I'm the type of person that likes to use one brush for a look. So you may not see me switching up that much. It's just a habit. I can't help it. This is the 213. I'm going with that lighter brown. And just blend out that line up top. I am really loving this palette. The colors are coming out very pigmented, and I don't have any complaints at all. So I guess I want to go in with some shimmer. Let's go in with this cranberry splash color. Cranberry splash. I'm just going to place it right in there. Just to have some oh yeah, can y'all see that? Very pigmented, y'all. At that, it's very pretty. So I'm going in with the blush from Wonder Beauty, the Dusk to Dawn palette, which looks like this. So they have like a a Havana Nights, which is like a pinkish color. This one here, I'm going to go in with that. That's more like of a blush tone for me. So let's go and see what it do. Okay, this blush has like, it's very pretty, and it also has a little gold undertone, which matches very well with my skin tone and my complexion. I like it. I can see that I'm going to be using this palette here a lot. Then I'm going to go in with the City Lights, which is a gold shimmer color, so that will be a highlight on me. So I'm going in and woo wee, look at that. Yeah, I probably went a little bit overboard with that, but hey, y'all get the drift. I want to let y'all know that it's very pigmented, it's very shiny, and when that sun hits you, it's just gonna be like I probably went a little bit too overboard with the gold color, but you know what, I'm gonna take my round top blender brush. This is so soft, and I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm just gonna dab it because this is like very sturdy. I need something a little bit more fluffier, but this is gonna have to do for right now. Let's blend everything on out. And that right there, that's like a lot of glitter right there in that little corner, but that's all right. I love glitter. So this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to take the lip paint from Tarte, the gold color that I mentioned earlier. Look. It's very, and it smells amazing. So this is very thick, and it's sheer, but you can see the glitter on it. It's not that bad. I love it. Also in the box, it comes with Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is a face cream. It's an anti-aging cream. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. And I don't know if I want to open this or not, just to show you guys it, because I just pressed the top and all this stuff came out, so it looks like that. It smells good, but I don't want to waste it right now, because I can't put it on right now because I have my makeup on. This Pro-Collagen Marine Cream cost $89, so I will definitely be using this very sparingly. I'll be including this in my nighttime skincare regimen. So if you all would like to see how I take care of my skin, just give me a comment below and I can record a video for you. And hopefully you guys take away something from it. The next thing I'm going to be opening up is the mini hair straightener. And this averages about $75. So this thing looks, oh, it comes with a little case. It's very pretty. This is what it looks like. And then, oh, this is so cute. It's yellow. You can take this on the go, you're traveling, and it has the little on and off switch in here. This is very convenient. I can see myself using this And last but not least is the Wristlet portable charger. And it says glam ash. Oh, you know what. So this little wristlet is good to put your makeup in here, your makeup brushes, whatever you want to put in here, it's good. Let's see. It's very deep, and you also have a little, hold on, I lost it. You also have little pockets in here, so it's very deep, multifunctional, and I just love it because you can put your makeup or whatever you want in there. And then the bonus that comes with this is that you have a charger. What makeup bag, you know, comes with a charger? So this is what it says, Crimes of Beauty. Oh, I'm sorry, I have it backwards. This is what it says, Crimes of Beauty. This is the charger. It's so cute, small, durable. You can place this in your pocket, in your purse, in this bag that you just got. Yes, girl, I got you. And then it also comes with the little cord that you can use. It comes with instructions. So let's see here. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, so this part goes in this portion right here. And you can hook up your, you know, you can plug in your computer, your camera, or just charge up anything that needs to be charged. And then that is the USB port. And let's see. This thing is so small, like I can't even, and my nails are super long. Oh, there it is. Ah, got it. Boom. Apple. Any Apple users out there? Yes. We can charge our products using this little small thing right here. So I'm definitely going to be using it because I have an iPhone. And it just comes out this little slot right here. So just put it back in. And you charge your devices that way. And for the Android users, so that's the iPhone side. And okay, I missed a whole section, y'all. This is the Apple. This is the USB port, and this is the Type C adapter. So this has a lot of different compartments. It even has like a little light, so I'm assuming that this changes colors, you know, when you're trying to charge your items. And this retails for about $22, so that's pretty not bad. That's not bad at all for the amount of money that you pay, $28 and some change, and you get all these fabulous items. I want to say you got at least around 9 to 10 items. Yeah, you got 10 items, and they're way over $28, and they're way over $100. So you're really getting a bang for your buck, and this is a great way to try out expensive items on a cheaper scale. So that is it. I want to thank you all so much for watching the video. If you'd like to see more Boxycharm videos, comment and let me know. Or if you want me to do a skincare routine using the M's that I just received, moisturizer, I can definitely do that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell on top to get notifications when I upload videos. So thank you all so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.